Hey, it's Scott McFarland. Good morning. It's Wednesday. What lies ahead today? I mean, where to start? It's just one of those days. The president has addressed these reports in the New York Times. He is seeking compensation, or that his attorneys might be seeking taxpayer compensation for the investigations into him, including the investigation into his efforts to overturn the 2020 election. Among the things the president said is that it could be something his legal team is pursuing for the federal investigations into him. He has said the money, in his mind, would go to charity, but this is going to unleash any number of responses from critics. There'll be questions for his allies. It could define so much of the day. Keep in mind, the U.S. Senate is here today in Washington. They are near cameras. They're near reporters. I suspect they're going to face a lot of questions, even if we don't see the president today. By the way, we should say a Justice Department spokesperson told CBS News that in any circumstance, all officials at the Department of Justice follow the guidance of career ethics officials. It's also worth underscoring it is Trump's lawyers, his one-time personal lawyers, who now have the highest positions inside the Department of Justice, which would be handling some of this. Now, in the criminal cases that are now scattered around the country, some pretty important filings have come down, and we'll wait for judges' responses to them. LaMonica McIver, the New Jersey Democratic Congresswoman, has filed motions to dismiss her criminal case that was sparked in May. She's going to argue she is being selectively prosecuted, or selective enforcement against her, and that she enjoys legislative immunity, a variant of what the Supreme Court granted to President Trump in presidential immunity. Could be many days, could be weeks, until we hear responses from the judge on that. And meanwhile, James Comey has filed two motions seeking to get his case dismissed for selective, vindictive prosecution, but also to get the prosecutor kicked off the case, saying she was unlawfully appointed. The judge has just set a deadline for the government to respond to that. That's going to be November 3rd. And then Friday, it's Letitia James for arraignment in Virginia, in Norfolk. Not clear who represents the government there. This is already one of those weeks, one of those days.